All right, Ford set to report earnings today after the bell, with investors watching that company's fundamentals as it stays locked in that EV price war. Joining us with more is Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian. A lot of people wondering about that race to the bottom with prices.
Yeah, Rochelle, big race to the bottom on those prices, definitely for sure. But, mostly what investors will be watching, I think two key parts will be sort of forward guidance there for their EBIT or earnings before income and taxes, so or interest and taxes, sorry. So basically they had guidance of around $11.5 billion for 2022. Are they going to hit that guidance? And also for 2023, what will it be? Investors looking for around $10 billion estimated EBIT guidance there for 2023. But also, margins, right, Rochelle? Those, like you said, the race to the bottom pricing. Ford will probably report around 7% margins. That's what people are looking for 2022. Is that going to come down after they've sort of cut prices on models like the Mach-E just this past week? Are we going to see pressure there as customers sort of are trying to tighten the purse strings? John Lawler, CFO of Ford, said last quarter that he saw customers trading down to lower trim levels to afford the cars that they want. And then also they're actually taking out longer loan term payments to like 72-month term payments to get cheaper payments for their loans. So, we're going to see a lot of that too. And are we going to see incentives coming from Ford to kind of lower some of these high truck margins for those very popular trucks that they offer? Are we going to see those prices come down because of the incentives? So that's probably what we're going to see and trying to hear for on the call and also in the earnings statement.
And Pras, of course, other automakers are shedding jobs. Is this a course correction or sign of deeper worries in the auto industry?
I think it depends. It's a case-by-case sort of basis. So we said GM last night or 2 days ago said that they were not going to cut any jobs. They're going to do some around $2 billion in cost savings through other types of measures. But then we saw Rivian cut, again, 6% of staff, non-manufacturing staff, in order to sort of boost their cash reserves and really plow that money into production and distribution. So it's really coming down to what companies say. Ford also had already mentioned that they're going to cut some white-collar jobs. So we already know that's coming. The question is, will we hear more about that? I'm not sure yet, but I think they're sort of setting themselves up with a two-pronged attack with their Ford Model E business, which covers the EVs, and the regular Ford Blue Oval, which is going to cover their gas-powered cars. So they're already splitting the business up, and they're also sort of focusing on high-growth areas in their legacy business to fund those high-growth areas.
It'll be fascinating to hear more about that. Pras Subramanian, thank you so much for that update.